Good morning children. I hope you all are fine. This is your EVS teacher, Mrs. Farhana's teacher. Today we are going to start our new topic, that is baby's world. First lesson, baby's world. So first we have to know about what are babies. Have you seen around you the babies of a dog, the babies of a cat and the babies of a hen? They are called as babies. Example, the baby of a dog is called as puppy and the baby of a cat is called as kitten and the baby of a hen is called as chick. So these are the babies of these animals. So in this lesson first we will learn about what is reproduction and how this happens. So coming to this reproduction, coming to this topic, there are three topics. First one is reproduction and the second topic is reproduction by laying eggs. And third topic is reproduction by giving birth. So first we will learn in detail about what is reproduction. Reproduction is the ability of producing their young one. Reproduction is the process by which one can produce more of their own kind, is called as reproduction. Reproduction is not same in all animals. So for example, plants reproduce through seeds. Let us see how reproduction is continued by laying eggs. For example, the animals which reproduce by laying eggs are called egg laying animals and the animals which give birth directly to the young ones are called mammals. Example of reproduction by laying egg animals are snake, insects, frog, hen, tortoise. Next, reproduction by giving birth. Example are cat, dog and cow, goat, and even human beings also give birth by reproduce by giving birth. So these are the examples of animals or insects which lay eggs, and these are which by directly by giving birth. So let us see in detail about reproduction by laying eggs. So first is reproduction by laying eggs. So children, open your textbook page number 160. In this you can see that cat with his kitten and hen with his chick and dog with its puppy. These are called babies. And second topic is reproduction by laying eggs. Now we will see in detail about how is reproduction by laying eggs. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Young one hatch out of the eggs. Insects like birds, fish, frog, lizard, turtles and snakes are some animals that reproduce by laying eggs. So children, there are some animals which reproduce by laying eggs. They are birds, fish, frog, lizard, turtles and snakes. After they are laying birds, the eggs hatch and the little one come outside. The stages in the development of an animal from the egg to the stage of becoming an adult is called as its life cycle. The stages in the development of an animal from the egg to becoming an adult is called as life cycle. So let us see what is the life cycle of a butterfly in detail. So insects, here you can see the picture of a life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs on leaves. then the eggs hatch and the caterpillar come outside. This stage is called larva stage, and after that the larva eats a lot and grow rapidly, and after some days it spins into a cocoon, and this stage is called pupa. The pupa remains and attached to the leaf. This is called pupa stage. Inside the cocoon the caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly, and it breaks down into cocoon and butterfly come outside. So let us draw a diagram of this. This is adult butterfly. It lays its eggs on a leaf. Eggs on a leaf, and then it becomes into a caterpillar. This is called larva stage of a butterfly and caterpillar. And after it eats the leaves and it rapidly grows into a cocoon. This is called pupa stage of a butterfly, and after this, inside this cocoon the caterpillar goes and become a small butterfly, and after some days it become into a beautiful butterfly. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. In the same way, the bird life cycle is also given below this butterfly life cycle. All birds lay eggs. The eggs have a hard shell. This is an egg. This is called as eggshell. This eggshell protect the egg from outside. This is the yellow substance which is called as yolk, and the white substance is called as albumen. So the egg have a outer covering called eggshell which protects the jelly-like content from the egg. The yellow in the center is called as yolk, and the egg provides nourishment for the growing baby is called embryo. The life cycle of a bird is, first the bird gives an egg and it goes into a small chick, and after it becomes an adult bird. So children, turn page number 162. Here you can see another life cycle, which is life cycle of a frog. Life cycle of a frog. A frog is able to live both on land and water. When it live on land, it breathes with its lungs, and when it is in water, it breathes with its gills. So frog is called as amphibian because it live both on land and in water. So coming to this, frog lays eggs in the water, which are called clusters. After some time, the egg hatches into a tadpole. The tadpole lives in water. It is like jellyfish, and slowly, after a lot of changes, it becomes an adult. First stage of frog, this is frog, and it lays eggs in a large cluster. It lays its eggs in a large cluster, and after that it becomes a tadpole, and after some changes it becomes into a adult frog. So you can see the life cycle of a frog in page number 162. In the same way, the crocodile, turtles and snakes lays their eggs on the ground. Some of them bury their eggs. The sand gives the warmth needed for the eggs, and after some days they hatch. Next, lizards. You can see lizards in your home. They lay small eggs on your walls and hangings behind the wall. So next, fish. Fish lay thousands of eggs in water. Very few will survive and others will eaten by the other fish. So up to this we had completed reproduction by laying eggs. I think you all understood about how is reproduction by laying eggs happen. So next topic is reproduction by giving birth. Next, third topic is reproduction by Next topic is reproduction by giving birth. Animals that give birth directly to their young ones are called mammals. The young ones feed their babies and produce milk for them. Example are dogs, cats, cows, elephants and human beings. They are all called mammals. The young ones of mammals develop inside the mother's womb and they are born when they are fully developed. Here you can see some pictures: cow with its calves, lion with its cub and dog with its puppy. These all are called mammals. They give directly birth to their young ones and they also take care of their young ones by feeding milk to them. So next, coming to human beings. Human beings are also reproduce their young one by giving birth. Human beings are also called as mammals. So human beings produce by giving birth. The baby develops inside the mother womb. So a tube joins the baby to the mother and they carry oxygen and food and liquid to the baby for their nourishment. The baby take about 9 months to fully develop. After that the baby is born. So here down some facts are given. Dinosaur eggs are large. The large was about 2 feet in diameter. The largest egg is Dinosaurus egg, and in this page you can see that whale and dolphin look like fish but they are mammals. Whale and dolphin, they look like fish but they are mammals because they give directly birth to their young ones. Duck-billed platypus is a mammal but it lays eggs. These are the facts of this lesson. And in page number 164 you can see a picture: a mother carrying her baby in the womb and a lady with her newborn baby. So the fact of this is a mother can feel the baby is kicking and moving when it is inside the womb. I hope you all understood about reproduction and how reproduction by laying eggs and what is reproduction by giving birth. So read the lesson carefully and fill these, choose the correct answers and fill in the blanks which are contained in this lesson. Thank you children. We will continue for next lesson.